Battery Guyz.
Hey, y'all have any NP55 batteries for wheelchair?
Do we have what now?
NP55. They're for a wheelchair.
NP55.
Yeah.
Let me see. Hold for 1 second. I think we do.
Okay.
Let me hold for 1 second. We do got a style of 55N. You might have to bring your battery in to check to match it up. We do got one or two.
How much are they?
$50 a piece plus tax with a 30-day warranty.
Okay. Hey, what kind of batteries are they? Do you know? Brand?
No, ma'am, I don't.
Oh, okay. So, son, you need cords on those, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Because I've been buying these jokers at battery stores and they don't last. It seems to be too long.
Okay.
So I'm trying to find something else to buy besides that.
Yeah. Well, we do got them in stock. You know, I know they normally over $100 a piece, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got them in stock at half the price, $50 plus tax with the old core change.
Oh, sounds like a plan.
Yeah.
I'll be coming that way then.
All right,
okay,
then.
Perfect.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye.
Battery Guyz.
Hey, did I talk to you about wheelchair batteries?
Yes, ma'am, you did.
Hey, how long is that deal on them?
Those are,
These are 55 amp.
yeah, 55 amp hours.
55 amp.
Yeah, these 55 amp hours,
Yeah.
they're $50. You talking about how long is the deal?
Yeah, I mean, is that like a deal y'all running or? Is that
No, I mean, what we do, we get them in sometimes. You know, every blue moon, we got like 1 or 2 in stock right now. We just let them go at half the price. That's it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So how many you got there now?
I think we're showing 2 in stock too.
Oh, when do you think you'll get some more? Because I ain't gonna be able to make it another day. I'm up here in Alabama, so I'm not even in Pensacola.
I don't know, ma'am. I mean, we normally get them like every other month.
Okay.
Okay.
So you just got 2 right now? 'Cause
Yes,
I need
ma'am.
about 4.
You need about 4. Let me get your number,
Yeah.
and I'll give you a call back. What's your name?
Okay. My name is Dawn, D-A-W-N. My
D-A-W.
phone number is 7.
Go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead. 772-214-4882.
4882.
Yeah. Are those new batteries or
They refurbished.
refurbished?
Refurbished.
Okay, perfect.
All right, so you need 4 quantity 55 amp hours wheelchair batteries.
Right. Yeah, just let me know when you get some.
All right, sure, we're done.
All right, thanks so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye.